Okay, so here I am trying to troubleshoot a new board that we had put in by South Placer Heating and Air. As we can see, it is a Heatcraft Ignition Control Board, EGC1. At the end of the video, I will add the schematic showing what kind of voltage we should be seeing and where we should be seeing that. So I have a multimeter. We have it set up to test within a range of 200 volts AC. Here is our board. There are the thermostat controls. And we're going to be using this ground right here. So I take the lead, wedge it in there with the ground. All right, so we can see here our thermostat wiring. I take the other lead, connect it to red. We have 26.8 volts, which is expected. Now if I move it up to common, 0 volts. Again, common, 0 volts. So I'm not sure what other way to look at it, but to me, that looks like we have a bad board.